Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the midst of a fierce storm, with heavy rain pouring down and the sound of thunder echoing in the distance, an unexpected calm envelops the cozy home.
At saka sa ulan. Oh, lakas na kulog, di ba? No, kaya naggaganyan si Orin kasi nabasa siya doon sa bougainvillea. Ayaw niya kasi umalis. Oh, nabasa din. Hindi rin siya magpakuha.
While nature unleashes its fury outside, mere loyal dog and content cat remain unfazed, finding solace and tranquility in the safety of their home. As the storm rages on, a sense of peace and serenity fills the air, creating a stark contrast between the chaos of the outside world and the peaceful haven within. I am going to end this video. Thanks so much for your continuing support. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.